She cooking when I arrived. A was, B is, C were. By the time we reached the show dash, the A ended, B had ended, C ends. The thief za caught last night. A is, B was, C were. The book dash by J.K. Rowling. A is written, B was wrote, C was written. He said, I am tired. Change to indirect speech. A, he said he is tired. B, he said he was tired. C, he said I was tired. He has been living here dash 2010. A for, B since, C from. We waited dash the train for 2 hours. A for, B at, C on. I cannot come dash I am sick. A and B but, C because. They had the tree pot A behind, B in, C below. She is interested dash painting. A of, B in, C on. Synonym of brave. A coward, B fearless, C weak. Synonym of tiny. A huge, B small, C average. Synonym of important. A vital, B useless, C petty. Synonym of generous. A greedy, B kind, C selfish. Synonym of mistake. A error, B. Success. C. Reward. Antonym of accept. A. Take. B. Reject. C. Offer. Antonym of strong. A. Weak. B. Firm. C. Steady. Antonym of rise. A. Jump. B. Fall. C. Increase. Antonym of happy. A. Glad. B. Cheerful. C. Sad. Antonym of frequent. A. Rare. B. Often. C. Usual. She dashed to the gym daily. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Gone. If he had studied, he dash passed. A. Will. B. Would have. C. Can. I am not as tall dash my brother. A. So. B. As. C. Then. He speaks English better dash I do. A. That. B. Then. C. Then. They have dash friends in the city. A. Many. B. Much. C. Plenty. Where is Hassan? A. Where is Hassan? B. Where is Hassan? C. Where is Hassan? She don't like apples. A. She didn't like apples. B. She doesn't like apples. C. She don't like apples. Ali and me went to the store. A. Ollie and I went to the store. B. Me and Ollie went to the store. C. Ollie and me go to the store. They was playing outside. A. They were playing outside. B. They are playing outside. C. They has played outside. This is the book who I bought. A. This is the book which I bought. B. This is the book whom I bought. C. This is the book what I bought. Break the ice means A, to go skating, B, to make people comfortable, C, to break something cold. A piece of cake means A, a slice of dessert, B, an easy task, C, a reward. Hit the sack means A, go to bed, B, punch a bag, buy, C, eat food. Once in a blue moon means A, frequently, B, rarely, C, never. Let the cat out of the bag means A, open a gift, B, reveal a secret, or C, lose your pet. Choose the correct sentence. A, does she likes tea? B, does she like tea? C, do she like tea? Choose the correct sentence. A, there is some books on the table. B, there are some books on the table. C, there are some book on the table. Choose the correct sentence. A, I have two brothers. B, I has two brothers. C, I have two brothers. A, she writing a letter. B, she is writing a letter. C, she are writing a letter. A, it is raining since morning. B, it has been raining since morning. C, it rains since morning. The dash child cried for hours. A, lose. B, lost. C, loss. My teacher gave me a useful dash. A, advise. B, advisory. C, advice. She is than her sister. A. Intelligent. B. More intelligent. C. Most intelligent. A dash of lions attacked the village. A. Group. B. Herd. C. Pride. The word unbelievable has dash syllables. A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. He don't know the answer. A. He. B. Don't. C. No. Each student was present. A. Each. B. Students. C. Was. I goes to the office by bus. A. I. B. Goes. C. Office. The news are good. A. The. B. News. C. Are. Is married with a doctor. A. Is. B. Married. C. With.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.